video, we will discuss about fetch versus Axios and why do we prefer Axios over fetch. So first difference is fetch is an browser built-in API and the Axios is an library. Now we have a API in which I set up a code quickly to discuss the difference between fetch and Axios. So we write a code quickly first with using fetch const data, and it is an asynchronous code, so we have to write in try and catch. Now const response equals to fetch. Now const data equal to await response dot json and console dot log data. Now we call this. Now we run this code, so we get the output of this API. Let's do a name to shorten the response. So we get the name from this API. Now quickly write the code for Axios also to quickly discuss about the differences. Now copy this entire code and change it to name data2 and here it is an Axios, so Axios dot get. Now here the difference part. In fetch we have to manually parse the JSON, but in Axios we don't have to. Now the second difference comes here when we call the fetch while manipulating the API, so still we don't get the error. Here we expect that we have the error of 404, but not. We have to manually handle the error also like this. But in Axios we don't have to manually handle the errors. It automatically handle the errors. So why we don't get the error while and it still run even on 404? Because the fetch goal is to complete the HTTP communication cycle and the Axios have philosophy if its status code is not 200, basically your app has failed to get the data. And while fetch only rejects when there is a network error. So that is why we prefer Axios over fetch.